Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, the Peak District trip, date and hotel is confirmed and booked. Cue the intro. Just simply wow, it has been absolutely amazing. I put a video out this morning and I've been literally sent loads of messages and there's lots of comments, and what I was trying to say is thank you so much. And it is humbling as a video creator, a YouTuber, a vlogger to get that kind of response. It is just overwhelming and fantastic. So anyway, I just want to clear up a few things. I put a link down in the comments to the hotel and put on the bottom of that video that we have booked. Quickly want to explain how the sort of things work when it comes down to the channel. We have fantastic patrons. These guys help support the channel and videos go up there first. So obviously they've seen the video that was out this morning, they saw a couple of days ago, they got the link to the hotel first, and obviously they've been booking rooms. Since releasing that video, the people that go down and read the comments, they've obviously seen that that's been booked. The people that want to go have started to book up the hotel, and I now get messages to say that the hotel is fully booked. Now I want to say I used booking.com. I'm not affiliated with the hotel at all in any way. I literally went on bookings.com and I booked the hotel that I found that looked like it was very close or part of the route that was nearer to where we wanted to start the route and all the stuff to do with that, and that's why I booked it, and it was a good price. So if it is full on hotels.com with the link that I will put in the description down below, my suggestion would be to give them a ring first, because they might have more rooms available and only allocate so much to booking.com, and there might be other websites that they use and other booking apps and stuff that you could use still to get into the same hotel. If you can't get into that hotel and you do want to come on this crazy nutty adventure, I will talk about a little bit more coming up, is the other side of it is that there is B&Bs, there is hotels, there is a lot around that area, and what I'd suggest is that you literally go down into the map of the hotel that I'm booking, take the name of the place that we are staying or the postcode, go and look in other apps and see what's available, and hopefully you'll be able to find yourself a B&B or a hotel within a walking distance to the one that we're staying at, and hopefully there'll be even a local pub there that we could all go meet at, etc, etc. But I'm pretty sure you could book a B&B, walk over to the place we're staying at and enjoy a few drinks on the Friday night if that was your plan, or likewise on the Saturday night, come over, enjoy a few beers, something to eat on the Saturday night. So there is other options there. You don't have to stay in the same hotel. Like I kind of said about this trip and the Helmet Head 11 out of 10 star way that we do it, we've booked somewhere, me and the sidekick, as I said, confirmed we are going, and we've literally said this trip is open to anybody that wants to come along, be part of the adventure, be part of the filming, be on the channel as such. And by that, it literally is, it's up to you guys. If you want to go and book something, please go and book it. Like I said, I'm not a tour guide, I really aren't. So at the end of the day, if you want to book somewhere and walk over, please do so, and it'll be an absolute laugh. And that was sort of my suggestion really, because I know that some people are disheartened already that they can't get into the same hotel as what we're staying at. Don't worry, grab a B&B and walk over and grab a few pints with us, or grab a hotel and, like I said, wherever, stay wherever you guys can find that's local to where we are. Walk over, grab a beer, we'll be there and it will be a giggle. So another really quick tip as well, that if you have a Tesco's club card, and I'm thinking Nectar and places do that, you know what I mean, when you do your online shop you get rewards they build up. You can find that, especially for hotels.com, if you go to your Tesco's club card, you can use your club card points and transfer into vouchers, and then you put it in you go onto their site and you go through that, and then you can put it in and you can save yourself a few quid that way. So if there's somewhere a little bit more expensive, that might bring your cost down, that might make it more affordable as well. That's just a little tip I wanted to give you. So quick thing about the adventure again, I mean, I'm proper excited already, because it's going to be a proper Helmet Head 11 out of 10 nutty adventure. Like I said, if you are coming, you need to be aware that you are going to be on camera, you are going to be part of the channel, and it is going to be an absolute giggle, and it'll be nuts, and it's going to be my typical crazy nutsness as well. I am going to plan some things throughout the day, hopefully bits and bobs to do with the route as we go. The route I'll put up on the screen. You can find that on the TomTom website if you've got a ride, and you can download it so you've got the route for yourselves there, and you know, you're sorted that way. But at the end of the day, you're welcome to follow us, you're welcome to come along for part of it, disappear for part of it. You don't have to stay and literally be there the whole time. You can come along and join in as much or as little as you like. Now, I just want to turn around and say that there has to be obviously a public health warning here. Now, if you are turning up to ride on this adventure, there will be brute involved, because you are instantly going to become sexy and there is going to be many women chasing us. And if you're one of our fantastic lady supporters, you are going to obviously need to bring a nose peg. Or the other suggestion that I might say is spray a little bit of brute, have a sniff, stand well back, 'cause it might make you feel a bit ill, and then get a little bit closer. And eventually you might even be able to handle it enough to be able to stand near, obviously, the master, the chief, the sex god of the entire world. But it's going to be nuts. We're going to have an absolute giggle, so I'm dead excited. And then we'll literally set off. There'll be lots of stopping, lots of filming, and lots of stuff going on as we're doing it. The route is about 113, 114 miles. We'll do the loop round and we'll go back to the hotel and have some food at night. Like I said, during that there'll be lots of stopping and filming. I can't say that enough, because I think lots of people will think it was just all in one day and it's just a giggle. It's going to be a giggle, but there's going to be lots of filming on the way. But I am truly and utterly excited about how cool this is going to be, and it's going to be really fantastic to meet the people that come along, the subscribers, the patrons, the supporters. Really excited to meet you guys. It is going to be good fun. So of course, I just want to say now that there will be another video coming up in the future with more details. So don't worry, there's more details coming up in the future. We'll build it up to it as we get closer and closer. I want to say a massive thank you to everybody that's hit that subscribe button, people that watch this channel. The support you give me is fantastic. Please hit that thumbs up, that bell button, leave us a comment, give us a thumbs up on the comments as well. I really do appreciate that. It really helps the channel grow. It helps us also hit the YouTube algorithm. That means that more people get to see the video. Anyway, I just want to say thank you to my patrons as well. Without their support, this channel couldn't go the way that it's going. Thank you so much, guys. I'm looking forward to it. The one thing I'll say on the patron side of things, what's being suggested is a potential patron exclusive ride, where I am currently planning something that will hopefully give the patrons another opportunity to come for a ride just for a day, and that will be based locally to where I am. So I'm quite excited that that's going to be in hopefully a future video, a patron exclusive. Anyway, guys, thank you patrons, thank you everybody for being here, and of course the three most important things in life, and that is eat pie, ride motorcycles, and be happy. I will see you in the next crazy helmet head adventure. Bye bye for now.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about